Hello, welcome in SEO Money Pro, a powerful, automated, easy SEO money earning engine. This amazing system will fulfill your all dreams to earn money from your website. Yes, convert your website using into an earning machine. Yes, this is not dream, it's reality. So let's start. After installations for your WordPress panel, you have to see a SEO Money Pro. It's a description-based program. Okay, it's an option. Yes, and now I check. Is the first option is a dashboard. Yes, this is our dashboard. It's a SEO Money Pro dashboard, and this is yes exactly. First step is the statistical count. You have to be a seer right now. Statically online visitors. Yes, this is our online visitors. This is the total visitor, the unique visitors, and this is a unique page view. Okay, second option is a top page count. Exactly, yes, top page list by view count. You have to be a directly set for your countable values using with earning status meter. Exactly, this is an indicator to show for your earned pages, right? Yes, this is a graphical count. This is a various option for yes exactly. You have to be a your website search for your top operating system, top screen size, top browsers, top users, top countries, top cities, top reference, and top page terms. Exactly, so lots of and various options on this SEO Money Pro. The last option is the Alexa World Rank. Yes, exactly, your website world rank positions to directly show. Okay, fine. Yes, exactly. Right now we have to be a check for a second option is the real time. Exactly, yes, your website is right now on one person. He have to see. Yes, exactly. It's a page, it's a user, it's a time, it's a duration, it's a city, country, browser, platforms. Yes, it's a various option on your total online real-time visitors. Okay, yes, exactly. It's a live visitors from your website. Yes, exactly. Fine. Our next option is a traffic. Yes, exactly, this is my traffic window, and it's a recent visitor list from your website. Yes, exactly, you have to be a directly see for your all pages, visitors, time, durations, and so on. So you have to be a directly set for your website to your recently visitors. Okay, so third option is a filter extracts. Okay, filter extracts are shown various options to your website like a filter for URL, users, devices, and so on. After submit for this, you have to be a set for date wise searching for your platform. It's a pages, and this is the countable for today's, and this is the earning status. So directly you have to be a set for your earn status meter using. You have to be a earn for each and every pages. Okay, yes, exactly. Fine. Right now, up next step is to show for the auto keyword search, sidebar, and panel setting. With the help of this, you have to be earn money from your website. Okay, now I again check for our dashboard. Yes, this is a top page count, and you have to be just click on each and every page to earn status for your website. Okay, start. We have to be a set to click on each page. First we have to check our website. Yes, this is our website, and this is a earn status area. Yes, exactly, you have to be a directly set for each and everything for our website related for your posts and blogs. Okay, fine. Now I check for any one blog like this. Okay, and like this, and for top hype. Fine. Yes, it's open for this website. So it's related for your 10 effective money from email marketing. So you have to be directly set for advertisement for related content and related posts. So you have to be earn for money for using this. Okay, now I check for next. It's a web booster cake, and it's related for this advertisement. At least last we have to check for top high 30 video website, and this is our high PR submission website. So each and everything related for your blog to persons to have to be a directly set for advertisement section. Okay, so this is a big question, how to do for this earn money for using website. Okay, first I aggregate this post. Fine. After aggregating this post, you have to be a set of various options like a SEO Money Pro. It's the first option is the auto keyword search. You have to be a directly set for your option for your title. Okay, first example, how to earn money. Okay, fine. It's an option, and this is a suggest. So you have to be a directly set for Google friendly title bar for your post and everything. Just show and click. So you have to be a directly set for your website and do so. Fine. Okay. Fine. Yes, exactly, you have to be a set. And now it's the next option is for your sidebar. You have to directly set for your website for each and every for different type of advertisement on each and every post. You have to be directly set on this. Okay, fine. Yes, you have to be a sea of option for this. Okay, now I set for different type of option for sidebars. You have to be directly for set for advertisement for each and options. Yes, exactly, just like in for your sidebar name, and you have to be a find out for your banner for each and every four options. Yes, exactly, it's the email, and this is a advertisement for email marketing title. It's the ad size, options, number of content, and it's a website URL to have to be a site. So using for this option SEO Money Pro, you have to be earn for directly your website. Okay, fine. Yes, exactly, this is your ad section, and you have to be a directly create of multiple sidebars and multiple accents. Okay, yes, exactly, yes, we have to be a C for option, and right now we have to be a meta setting. Exactly, meta setting is the most important thing for your each and every page or post. Yes, exactly, you have to be a directly set for your meta description for title, descriptions, and keyword for related for your posts and pages. Yes, exactly, so Google is a find out for your page and website. So exactly, you have to be a earn for your website and enjoy of this. So SEO Money Pro to convert your website for earning machine. Exactly, so all the best, and thank you so much for watching this video.